has no soul, but you, as a cook, must bring soul to the recipe. कहते हैं किसी के दिल तक जाना हो तो उसका रास्ता पेट से होकर जाता है. Hello everyone, I'm Gauri Bawa from Daily Belly. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Mithun Chako from Business Jam, who gave me an opportunity to speak about my venture Daily Belly. Now I would like to give a small introduction about my work. Daily Belly is a Punjabi home kitchen where both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food are freshly prepared in our kitchens every day in a hygienic environment. Instead of going out to dinner, buy good homemade food. In a bad economy, it's very important to make yourself feel happy and good. Now I would like to give a small introduction about myself. My schooling from Dhalausi, Himachal, finished my graduation from Jalandhar University and moved down south after the marriage. I always wanted to do something of my own. I started Daily Belly 5 years back, but in between took a break to assist my husband in his textile business and devote time to my daughter. As we all know, the floods in Kerala and the present COVID situation has affected our business. I'm also a part of it. I also had to close down my textile business. So that is where I picked up the opportunity to restart Daily Belly. My main focus was on elderly people, patients, and working class people. Daily Belly never needed advertisements. It was all through mouth publicity. My friends who had tasted my food and my family is very supportive. And in today's scenario, I think with God's grace, it is a blessing in disguise that Daily Belly has picked up a lot. I was initially I was equipped for a small scale kitchen, but now I have expanded, I have explored, and people from outer circles, they have contacted me. I'm a part of certain food circles, so I never needed a publicity basically. We keep on adding new things like millet roti and flaxseed laddus, like healthy diet, like even for the patients also we can give them, we can customize food for them like khichdi and with little bit of curd and sabzi and dal, whatever. It depends upon their requirement. At times, it is very challenging also to deliver food to certain areas like containment zone and where elderly people, where the COVID patients are there. But somehow we are trying our level best to overcome these situations. How we can help others. I mean, it gives me happiness, it gives me pleasure. My work has taught me to be more responsible because it is not only the responsibility of one family. Now it is the responsibility of other families too who are dependent on you. You have to be positive, you have to be very patient with them. My work has made me self sufficient, independent, made me confident, and helped me to build up an identity of my own, which I always wanted. Women is always the best supporter for the other women. This is my message for women who are sitting at home right now. I would suggest they should give support to their family, they should support their husbands, they should support their children. If they have a passion in cooking, if they're passionate about cooking, they should follow the passion. And why not start a journey from why to why not. Once again, I would like to thank Mr. Chako for giving me an opportunity.